Hello, and welcome to Item Tutorials. In this segment, we'll show you how to efficiently complete a batch order pick task from start to finish. As a warehouse worker, you'll receive a pick task. First, open the pick task list and select the task you want to work on. This will take you to the task page. For a batch order pick task, the pick by type is batch order pick. Press the Start Picking button to begin the task, then tap Pick. Then head to the suggested location. If there's no inventory in this location, press Next Location to get a new suggestion. Enter or scan the location. Scan the pallet ID, SKU number, or UPC. Then choose an order that requires this item and press Enter to open a new page for that order. Next, input the quantity. Scan the label for the pallet or box or print a new label. Then press the Submit button. Follow the steps for any other orders which require this item. If serial numbers are required for this item, the message Scan SN will show up. Enter or scan the serial number. If there are more items that need to be picked, pick all of them and tap Close Step. Once the pick step is done, start the stage step. Scan or select the staging location, then scan the picked pallet or box to stage. Finish inputting all the information and then tap Submit. Then go to the task homepage and close the task. Then the task is finished. Congratulations and thank you for watching Item Tutorials.